Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2007 to 2013 Nissan Qashqai Rogue Sport? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine Compartment Fuse Box. The Engine Compartment Fuse Box number 1 in the 2007 to 2013 Nissan Qashqai Rogue Sport powers key systems like the ECU, ABS, and headlights, protecting them from electrical faults. Fuse Box number 2 in the engine compartment of the Nissan Qashqai Rogue Sport 2007 to 2013 powers critical systems like the cooling fan, ignition, and fuel pump. Passenger Compartment Fuse Box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2007 to 2013 Nissan Qashqai Rogue Sport protects circuits for interior features like the power windows, audio system, climate control, and dashboard electronics. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.